welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys follow me, I love to help everybody save money, and especially by scanning receipts. I scan a lot of my receipts. I have a lot of apps where I scan it, and those little, every single receipt adds up. I've been really like keeping at it on scanning every single receipt. But I just got a notification. Now, if you guys are not new, there is Amazon Shopper Panel. Now, what is Amazon Shopper Panel? If you guys want to see how it works, I have a video that shows you how to work. But basically what you do is you just Google it, or you go to your like apps, you type in Amazon Shopper Panel. Now, it's not available to everybody. When I signed up, it said I had a wait list. I waited like a day or so, and I went back in the app and it was there. My husband has been on the wait list for over a year. Now, we do share our Amazon account. Like, he has his own separate account and I have mine, but we do share an Amazon account, so I don't know if that is the reason. Some of you guys have said you've been on a waiting list for a very long time. I don't know how or when you get approved. You just got to keep checking back. Don't wait until you get a whatever. But anyways, so every single month you scan your receipts and you scan 10 receipts. 10 receipts, you get $10, and they add it to the first or the second of the following month. So there's an easy $10 Amazon gift card, and it goes automatically to your account. You don't do anything. Then they have it where they get surveys every once in a while. I just got a pop-up. I'll show you guys the surveys when they get surveys, and every once in a while I'll get a notification that says that I got a survey, and most of the time it's like 50 cents. So far this month, it's only the middle of the month, and I've made $2 off of surveys. $2. So that's kind of cool. Then they have this thing where it's ads, and what they're doing is they're just keeping track of the ads that you get on your phone. It automatically is $2 if you guys want that. I just do it automatically because it's just, they just want to see, like, if you remember seeing an ad for here or here for that, and those, like, you don't have to do anything. It automatically gives you $2. That's $2 of free money. Then I got this. Now, I don't know if this is available for everybody yet, but I got a thing that says offers. Now, it's in the beta version, so they're testing this out. And then I just opened up the app and I got this. So it says introducing offers, and then in the little square it says beta. Earn additional rewards by uploading images of physical receipts containing a featured brand or product category. View available receipt offers and learn more by visiting the offers tab. So I'm going to click on view offer, and right here is where I'm not familiar with all the details, but it does say upload a receipt with Hanes purchase. Now, I'm gonna not just specifically buy this product just for like $1 unless I can stack it with my other stuff, or if I see something like super cheap, I might buy it. But I have until the next 15 days, because today is today's March 14th. This deal ends on March 31st. So I have 15 days. So if I upload a receipt with a Hanes purchase, I will get $1. And then I have another one where if I upload a receipt with a bonus spray mop purchase, I'll get $1. So it just says, like right here, I just clicked on the Hanes receipt one. It says earn $1 by uploading a paper physical receipt containing one or more purchases of Hanes men's, women's, or kids clothing. You must meet the requirements listed below to redeem. Your receipt must be a paper, so it has to be a physical receipt. Email and digital orders, digital screenshots are not available, so you guys have to be a physical receipt. Receipts from Amazon.com is not eligible. Your transaction date listed must be within 30 days of you uploading it. Your receipt must contain a clear text, not be blurry, faded, or otherwise unreadable. And your receipt must contain a retailer or store name, purchase date, yada, yada, yada. You may upload each receipt only once. So if you go to Walmart or Target or anywhere where you buy like a Hanes product, you must get a physical receipt and scan it, and then you just upload it. So that is something new. This was not here this morning when I was scanning my receipt. But yeah, so I have 2 offers, and then it says right here, March offer rewards. And then I did check my notifications right here. And it did say, you know, you're eligible for a new offer for this one, and then the Bona thing. So just giving you guys a heads up with that is something new that they're doing with Amazon. So I'm kind of excited to see what else there would be, if there's going to be more than that. But if you guys see right here, so February I made $13.25, all by scanning 10 receipts, doing that $2 ad thing, and then answering the survey questions. I made $13.25, and they sent it to my Amazon account. So that's all you have to do. But today's video was just kind of giving you guys a heads up on the beta program. I'm excited to see what other offers they will have. I wonder if it'll be available to everybody or if it'll just be available to certain things. But I'm excited to see what else is going to be there. If you guys have any other available offers that I didn't, the 2 that I said, please let me know. I just want to see if everybody gets the same things, if everybody doesn't. I think what they're trying to do is they're trying to get people to buy certain products, to give them $1 so they can price match those prices at the store. I think that's what they're going to do. It's going to be kind of a lot of items. I don't know. I know that's what they do, is they look at your receipts to be the better price of all the places that you shop at. So yeah, just want to give you guys a heads up on a new program that they have with the Amazon shopper panel. But I'm excited to see what other offers they will have. I don't know if it'll be once a month, it'll be various times. I don't know. Like it's in the beta, so it might change from here and there. But again, if you guys got something different, definitely let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear everybody's options that they got. Make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys next time for some money saving info. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.